There was a vision that we could see early on, and we knew that this was the block for us. This build was a big incentive to provide something that we'd be really comfortable in, but something that we could be really proud of at the same time. There was an old 1970s style house here. One of those places where the moment we walked in, I could see the blank canvas in behind it all. For me as a landscaper, combining the internal and the external features was paramount. We had all of these ideas and we needed someone to put them down on paper.
I had concerns about whether that builder would be able to do it to the level that he particularly wanted. He really had an idea in his mind.
And it is a big emotional journey to go from start to finish in a build. Being in construction myself, you get a feel for subcontractors and other contractors when you meet them for the first time. When I first met Tim, he was somebody who was trustworthy, willing to listen to the ideas that we had. That was one of the attractions with Tim and Mass, was that they can provide that from design till completion.
They really understood the vision that we were trying to get. Everything that he had in mind was a reflection of where we were going.
Most construction projects these days, you need to be fluid. Tim was open to a combination of works with my business and his business. The way that it worked on site, we couldn't have asked for a better outcome. With the large format glass, where we can open it up and you can entertain both internally, externally at the same time. This entire space was why this house was created. For a builder to have good trades is a reflection on the builder themselves.
The house flows, inside, outside is perfect. Being able to share it with our friends and family is exactly why we built it.
The vision that we had years and years ago, it's really come to life. We couldn't be happy with what we produced.